China is run by a communist party. It's a group of people who have the supreme power. They make all the laws, they allocate all the money. And same is the case with the United States. Thanks to war in Gaza, Americans have realized this for the first time. There is a group of people who make all the laws of United States and allocate all the money. But in American situation, this group of people is not based in the United States. This group is based in Tel Aviv. From Tel Aviv, they use their muscle in the name of AIPAC, American Israeli Political Action Committee, who monitors all the lawmakers of the United States. They have their AIPAC members following and monitoring each and every lawmaker of House of Representatives and Senate, making sure that no law is passed against Israel and everything is done to promote the well-being, prosperity of Israeli people, not the American people. This is the tragedy. Americans always thought that they have freedom and they have elected lawmakers who are making laws in their favor. But now for the first time they have realized that the gang which is running their country is making all the laws to benefit one country, and that is not United States. What a tragedy.